Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashmika. Welcome to Globo Arte magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're gonna be talking about why Teepublic is more amazing than the Redbubble. I'm gonna be comparing these two platforms and putting my views on the perspective and the place, like why I think that Teepublic is much more better than the Redbubble. I'm gonna be talking about the Teepublic pros, which really outweighs the Redbubble pros. I'm gonna be talking about that in this video. And also guys, if you're really confused about which platform to go for, should you choose the Teepublic or the Redbubble, hopefully this video cleared that confusion for you. Let's get straight with that. Before we go to part, consider clicking the like button guys, really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos. And when we do so, you'll be getting notified about it. Also, we have a bunch of the free resources to help you with your print-on-demand journey. The link are in the description box below, or simply head over to globocreative.com. Check out all the freebies that we have. Make sure to check it out each month because we will be adding each month as well. And also, it contains a full commercial license, so you can very well use it. Now, let's talk about Teepublic and the Redbubble. Now, I have already made a bunch of the videos talking about my Redbubble account suspension. I'm going to leave them in the card section above. You can check it out if you don't know about it and if you want to know more story and how it happened and why it happened and all. So, based on my experience with the Redbubble, I really don't have a good experience with the Redbubble. Now, I am a little bit more biased, guys, over here about the Teepublic and the Redbubble. You would think that I'm a little bit more biased. Yes, it's based on my experience and knowledge so far. It may vary from each and every individual, and maybe you feel like for you the Redbubble is the best, Teepublic is not that good. It can vary from person to person, but again, it's my own opinion, it's my own experience, it's my own knowledge that I'm sharing in this video. So hopefully it will help you guys as well, and keep that thing in mind that I may be biased and I would be favoring more of the Teepublic. So please take this tips and advice in this video with a grain of salt because I may be biased because of my experience. Now let's talk about the Teepublic, which are the key pros that really outweigh the Redbubble. The first number one pros that I see with the Teepublic is about their customer support. I really like their customer support because if you see that something is not working in your shop or you want to actually call Teepublic for any of the issues, then you can send them the email and they're gonna reply you. It happened to me with time and time. I just sent them an email when my designs were not showing up and I was completely new on the Teepublic, and they replied to me with the things, and they replied me with the measures, with the tips and tricks to get my designs found onto Teepublic, which I really like about it. And also, I feel like Teepublic are kind of like more responsive to the contact with the artist, and I feel that it is more friendly. In case of the Redbubble, when my Redbubble account has been suspended, I sent them a bunch of the emails, but nothing ever happened. I didn't receive any email reply back from the Redbubble. Although I have sent them a message on the Twitter as well, and I got the message, a reply from the Twitter account. But after that, nothing really happened. I kept on sending them the message on the Twitter, and they kept me saying that hopefully they're going to resolve it soon and I'm going to get my account back, but nothing ever happened. So I feel that there is a bigger lack in the Redbubble right now, which I feel from my own personal experience, lack of the customer support, especially for the designer and artists who are selling on their platform. Maybe if you are a buyer onto the Redbubble, you would be getting a good customer support, but I'm talking based on the seller perspective. If you are on Redbubble, I feel like their seller support is quite weak. They don't help with that issue, and they really don't reply to the emails. I've sent them a bunch of the emails, but they never replied to me. I don't know why is that case, or I really don't know about how they work, and maybe they have some priority list on their stuff, and when things are not there in the priority, they just don't do it. Maybe it depends from company to company, but from a seller perspective, from an artist, from a designer perspective, I really don't like this thing about the Redbubble, that they don't really reply you via the email. The second pros of the Teepublic, which I really like about, if you are a new seller or if you're a new artist selling onto the Teepublic, you will going to get a good opportunity. Because if you go into the Teepublic homepage, you're going to see the tees from the new designers, the new designer, you're going to see that option. So if someone is popping over to the Teepublic and they really want to see what are the new designs, what are the new designers on the Teepublic, they can very well click on the link and can purchase from the new designer, which I feel it's not there in the Redbubble. On the Redbubble, on the top of the search engine, only those designs are there or those products are there which are selling well onto the Redbubble. And for the new designers, for the new artists, there is not much scope until you actually get the sales. you actually get more of sales, and then only you're gonna be promoted on the top of the search engine and all. So which I really feel that the Teepublic is giving an opportunity for a new designers, for a new artists to actually be found on the Teepublic, because they have a separate option onto the Teepublic, which I really feel is the best thing if you are a completely new designer and new person onto the Teepublic. Another pros of the Teepublic which I really like, if you are uploading your design onto the Teepublic, it will gonna be on sale for few days because you are uploading a new design. So they put the new designs on sale for few days until it goes out of the sale, which is really awesome. Because if you're uploading a new designs onto the Teepublic, your designs will going to be in the sale. So when people are actually going on to the Teepublic and they're looking for the designs that are on the sale so that they can purchase, your designs will more likely to get the sales because you have uploaded the new products, new designs onto the Teepublic, and they put the new designs and new products partially on the sales for a few days, and then it's out of the sale. So which is an awesome feature which is not there in the Redbubble. So it's again a great way to easily found on the Teepublic in comparison to the Redbubble. Another experience I'm going to talk about, which is another pros, is that I find from my own personal experience, I get my first sale fast onto the Teepublic with the less designs in comparison to the Redbubble, where I was having so many designs. I got my first sale I think in 3 to 4 months. I don't really remember. I'm going to leave all the videos in the card section above. You can check it out. But I got it 3 to 4 months, and it was like I was having more than 100 designs, and only I get my Redbubble for sale. On the Teepublic, I got within 2 months I think, and I was having less than 100 designs. So I think that this is one of the major pros of the Teepublic for a new designer. Another major pros of the Teepublic, which I find from my own personal experience, is that there is not that much competition right now onto the Teepublic in case of the Redbubble. On the Redbubble, there is a huge competition right now. You're gonna see there are so many artists, so many designers, so many sellers. People are selling the designs on the Redbubble, so it's a huge competitive space. In comparison to Teepublic, there is not that much competition, although there are so many artists also selling onto the Teepublic, but still the competition is not that huge, which really outweighs for a new designer if you're looking to get the sales on the Teepublic, so which is really another huge benefit. Now, one of the major cons of the Teepublic that I'm going to be talking about, which really not that outweigh from the Redbubble pros, is about the profit margin. Like, you really can't increase your profit margin onto the Teepublic, which is kind of like a side effect, you can say, or a side bag, something like that in comparison to Redbubble. In Redbubble, you can increase your profit margin, but Teepublic you can't. So which is the major, one of the cons about the Teepublic. But apart from that, I really love the platform. I really choose Teepublic over the Redbubble in this comparison. Even if my Redbubble account haven't been suspended, I was having my Redbubble account, I would choose the Teepublic because of these major pros which Redbubble don't have. And which Redbubble really needs to improve on, maybe not, it depends on their own priority, but I feel from my own experience and knowledge that Redbubble really needs to improve on those perspectives, which Teepublic have, Redbubble don't have. So I'm really going to choose the Teepublic over the Redbubble because of these things. Only one major cons which I see on the Teepublic is about the profit margin. Rest all I see is kind of like pros. Another major pros I'm going to talk about the Teepublic is that the multi-design uploader option. You can upload multiple different designs at one time onto Teepublic, which is not there in the Redbubble. That different option. If you're uploading your designs onto the Teepublic, then you very well know what I'm talking about is a multi-designer option. You can upload multiple designs, and uploading a design I feel like much more easier on the Teepublic in comparison to the Redbubble, and there is so much easy customization option. I feel like for the Teepublic, it's so much easy. Everything is easily laid down, and you don't need to much go into the detailing stuff and all those, and kind of like a more user friendly, more user easy in comparison to the Redbubble, which is also important because if you are uploading a design and you feel like that software or the platform kind of like a quirky or weird to upload, then you might be thinking second time to actually upload on that. Another major pros of the Teepublic is their artist referral income. Kind of like an affiliate. If you refer an artist or a designer or a seller to Teepublic, and when they make a sale, you're gonna get $1 for every product they sell up to $1,000, which is pretty amazing, and it's not there on the Redbubble. So this is one of the major affiliate income you can get extra from the Teepublic by referring other designers, other artists. And many of you guys have actually clicked on my link and joined the Teepublic and are selling on the Teepublic, and when they are selling, I'm receiving an affiliate income of $1 from every product they're selling up to $1,000, which is really awesome. And I'm really grateful for all those people who have clicked on the link and joined the Teepublic by clicking on the link, because I'm getting the affiliate income from that. So which is another amazing pros of the Teepublic, which Redbubble don't have. Redbubble are not giving you the money for referring new artists or referring new seller onto their platform. So which is really amazing. Now these are the major pros of the Teepublic. There could be many more. Do let me know in the comment section below. What are your views? Which platform you prefer more, Redbubble or Teepublic? What's your choice? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.